We're compagnie à plaisir, that means to dance. And we're from Haiti and West Africa. And that dance has been done in Africa from time immemorial. It's called the Yambalu. It is the dance of creation, done to Dabala and Aidadowido. Those are the two, goddess and God of creation. It's about that creation, that undulation. You women know this, right? And if you want to get a little bit spiritual, it's about moving from the earth up to the sky. If you want to talk about the Kundalini. And here's that movement. So that's what it's all about.